Welcome to English Learning Podcast.
Learn English fast with
Real conversations. Let's begin.
Welcome back. Today, we're at a summer festival. But not just any festival. This is where you'll learn real English people actually use. So if you've ever wanted to sound more natural, understand conversations, and speak with confidence, this is for you. Stay with me, because later in this video, things get a little crazy. Now, let's get started.
Wow, this place is amazing. Look at all the lights and people everywhere.
I know, right? The energy here is insane. It already feels like the best night ever.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this big. There's so much happening at the same time.
Just wait, it gets even better later. The main stage hasn't even started yet.
No way. Okay, we're definitely staying all night then.
Same. There's no way I'm leaving early.
By the way, I'm getting really hungry. What should we eat?
You have to try festival food. It's part of the experience.
All right, but what do you recommend?
Honestly, everything. Burgers, tacos, fries, or something sweet.
Something sweet sounds good, actually.
Then we should get ice cream.
Ice cream? At night?
Trust me, it just hits different at a festival.
All right, I'm convinced. Let's do it.
Hi, can I get a chocolate ice cream, please?
And I'll take a vanilla cone.
No, that's all. Thank you.
This already looks amazing.
Yeah, and it tastes even better.
Okay. Yeah, you were right. This is actually perfect.
Told you.
Let's walk around while we eat.
Good idea. I want to explore a bit.
Look over there. Street performers.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. They're actually really good.
Yeah, this place has such a good vibe.
It honestly feels like a movie or something.
Exactly. Like one of those perfect summer nights.
Wait, hold on.
What?
I think I lost my phone.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I had it like 2 seconds ago.
Okay, don't panic. Let's think. Where did you last have it?
I think near the ice cream stand.
All right, let's go back.
This is not good.
Relax, we'll find it.
Wait, never mind.
What?
It's in my pocket.
You're kidding.
Nope.
That's actually so funny.
Don't laugh. I was stressed for a second.
I could tell.
Okay, now I feel dumb.
It's fine. At least you didn't actually lose it.
True.
Hey, listen. The music is getting louder.
Yeah. I think the main show is starting.
Let's go closer.
This crowd is huge.
Wow. Everyone is already jumping.
This energy is insane.
I love this.
Same. This is my favorite kind of moment.
This is amazing.
This is so fun.
I love this.
Say it again.
This is amazing.
Haha. Okay, now you're really into it.
Yeah, I'm practicing.
It's working, though. You sound natural.
Good. That's the goal.
Honestly, I don't want this night to end.
Me neither. This is one of those nights you remember.
We should come again next year.
Definitely.
Same place, same vibe.
Deal.
Best night ever.
Yeah. Best night ever.
And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, and you want to understand real English conversations like this, make sure to subscribe. Because in the next video, we're going somewhere completely different, and it's going to be even more interesting. Also, if you want more practice, check out the video on your screen right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there.